And it's almost after lunch and I just finished my lunch. Because, what am I saying? So I just finished having lunch. Wait, where am I going?
Here for the heritage listed cargo sheds and enjoy it. This stop is Burke Street and Harbour Esplanade.
So finally I finished my workout and I had a workout for about having 5 days off, so it felt really good to just squeeze it in the morning. And it's my first full day here in Melbourne and I'm quite rested. So I'm just ready to explore the city for today and maybe just ride the City Circle Tram and just see whatever's like around the city area. I kind of want to just take this day like a chill day and just explore the neighborhoods. Yeah, let's do this. Hey guys, we are now at Queen Victoria Market and it's almost after lunch and I just finished my lunch. Because, what am I saying? So I just finished having lunch. Wait, where am I going? Yeah, it's this way. It was a pretty interesting morning because I met with a Melbourne-based photographer and we just did a shoot around the neighborhood uptown called Fitzroy, and that was interesting. And we're ready to explore Queen Victoria Market. Because it's divided into different sheds where each section has different areas like meat and fish, like food court, like fruits and vegetables, some organic section. So it is very interesting. And yeah, you can just explore around and go like which area you want to explore. Whoa, I know where I want to be, and that is the food section. Just go explore and see what they have. Alright, I guess that's just about it about Queen Victoria Market. So now we are here at the tram stop and we're waiting for the tram to head home because right now my feet are hurting, so I need to like just chill and rest. See, what I really love about the trams here in Melbourne is that they have the free tram zone, and if you're traveling just within the CBD or the Central Business District, you can just take the trams for free. And that's great, especially for travelers like me, or if you live in a city and you depend on public transportation. That's gonna be awesome. So I just finished a great morning of just swimming and going to the sauna, so that's really amazing. But today is gonna be a great day because it's a sunny day outside and we're going to the beach. So we're gonna do St. Kilda Beach, Luna Park, and also check out the super Instagram worthy Brighton Bathing Boxes. Is that what you call it? But yeah, it's along the beach, and yeah, it's just nice because it's colorful and all that stuff. So let's go do it. So we're here at St. Kilda Beach, right by Luna Park. Hey guys, we're now here at Brighton Beach and we're gonna check out the bathing houses. No, bathing boxes? What do you call it? Yeah. And there's my friend Jonna. Hi.
Hi.
Yes. And by the way guys, last time we met was, what, 12 years ago?
12 years.
Yeah, so...
This way.
Oh, it's this way. I don't know what's going on, but I'm just gonna walk around. Okay, so where are we heading now, Jonna?
Back to St. Kilda.
Yes, let's do it. seat. And over. Good morning, guys. So it is my last day here in Melbourne. I'm just gonna enjoy the view for the last time. So I'm already packed and I'm just gonna check out right after this. And then we still have like 4 or 5 hours of exploring Melbourne, and then we'll see what we can do in that amount of time before we head to the airport. And then after that, I'll be back in Singapore. So yeah.